First thing we do when we're coming into an office is do a site survey. And that basically includes taking some measurements of your doorways and talking to you a little bit about the room that we're probably going to be installing the laser or lasers into. We want to make sure that we have a clear entryway into your building, make sure that we can measure the doorways and the machines will physically fit into your building. Well, most of the time when we come into a practice, they usually have a room in mind. Sometimes that room is ideal. Sometimes we might give some other ideas. Maybe it's easier to install into that room. Maybe it's easier for patient flow. So we'll look at all the rooms and try and find the best option. To get the laser in the room, we need a number of things. We're going to have to address some electrical concerns. And we'll talk with you a little bit about that, making sure that we have the right plug for the room for the laser. The biggest concern for consistency we like to talk to you about is the humidity in the room. We want to make sure that it is a consistent level from install to install. That's the only way we can guarantee that you have good outcomes. The laser equipment's very heavy, so we want to make sure that we do not damage your floors as we come into your building. If you have tile or other kind of specialized flooring, we're going to lay down some sort of material so that we can actually roll the laser across it. We want to make sure the office looks the same when we leave as when we came in. Once we complete the site survey, we're going to review our findings with you and discuss any modifications that need to be made. After the modifications are complete, we'll schedule a dry run day. Actually bring the equipment in and make sure that everything fits in the room the way we had planned. All these steps ensure that your first case day runs smoothly and successfully.